brand new week. And how I start my brand new week is to do some stretches. And guess what, guys? My gym is still closed. So what I do is come on the outside and do my stretches. Stretching is very important to me. It allows my mind, my body, and my soul to connect with what's to come for this week. So let's start this video with good energy and good vibes. Let's get right into it. After a nice relaxing workout, let's make a healthy egg white omelette. Let's begin making this egg white omelette. Making a healthy breakfast makes me happy. This is what my egg white omelette looks like. Healthy and colorful. What is your favorite omelette? After breakfast, it's now time for work mode. So hey guys, it's tax season and today is the last day to file your taxes. I am on my way to do my taxes. Driving allows my mind to be calm and feel at peace. Just looking at the calm blue sky, traffic going by, I am so relaxed heading on this little journey to do my taxes. I am back home from doing my taxes. It's laundry day. Let's do some laundry. I am doing my favorite bedtime routine before I head to bed. My face is done. I am using my favorite bedtime body spray. So guys, what is your favorite nighttime routine? Let me know in the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Good night.